All right, I just want to share a quick message with you. I've been talking to clients all day today, and this theme kept coming up around connection. So, when we're consuming porn or we are, participating in FAP, we plug in and connect to that source. So we get into this deep connection with the pixels, with the screen. Now, what happens is if we unplug from porn or FAP and we disconnect that connection now gets plugged into life and the things that are important to us, like family, free time, business, friends, you name it. Unplug from porn plugs you back into reality. Now, what happens when you have a strong connection and a good plug, a good connection? I'm going to nerd out here because I'm working for this agency right now. Just kidding. I wish I worked for that company that I won't mention so I don't get sued. Here's what happens. The stronger your connection with something, if it's plugged in properly, you get speed, you get efficiency, you get productivity, you get the most out of that source. So the profound thought here is like, one of the biggest benefits of unplugging from that draining source that is so limited to a screen is huge. Unplug from that, plug back into reality, and feel the full connection, the benefit. Oh my gosh, I love this word connection. It's taken me years of coaching and working with clients to let that click in my head. Disconnecting from porn brings you more connection in your life, and that is the benefit we're all after. It's the best benefit. I love using the word, the acronym BBR, bigger, better benefits. So you have your old tiny little benefits that come from a tiny little screen with a connection in there that disconnects you from everything else. Non-benefits, you get the temporary benefit of a quick hit of pleasure, but then you get this unplug from that, plug into the real source. Now you get BBR, a bigger, better benefit, which is just that whole spectrum of energy and life and all the wonder around it. So that is like the best reason to stay on track. And I wanted to share that with you to keep you inspired to drop the porn habit, keep going with your goals. And I can't wait to chat more with you in the next video.